What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Seductive Souls coming at you with a new gaming pickup. In front of me I have the new arcade 1-up Street Fighter edition. This arcade, it's about 4 feet tall, maybe 50 pounds. This one comes with all the Street Fighters. Street Fighter 2, Street Fighter 2 Super, Street Fighter 2 Super Turbo. Very amazed that this just released. They didn't even know about it. They had to get it from the back for me. It was still on the pallets and everything. Again, this arcade is about 4 feet tall. It's very convenient. It's not heavy at all. You can move it around, everything like that. Just the sad part is that it only came with 3 games on it. But we're gonna get into this and give you a first-hand look of how it operates and everything like that. Now, they have 4 of these out: Asteroids, Rampage, Street Fighter, Final Fight, and Centipede. I haven't seen the Final Fight. I just seen the other 4 for sale, and they have more to come. I'm waiting on this Pac-Man to release, of course, the Galaga and the Space Invaders. It doesn't come assembled. You have to assemble it yourself, but it's very easy. So let's get into this. You have an on-off switch, so flip it on. Takes a little while to load. It has a 17-inch LCD screen in there, so of course it's up to date. Here you go, your startup screen with all 3 Street Fighters listed. Oh, you have a volume button. I turned the volume down. It has medium and loud, so select which one you want. Press A. It tells you press player 1 to continue. Press player 1. And then there you go. Loud, off, medium. Loud, put it on medium. I'm gonna go ahead and play 1 game. I suck at this, but I'm gonna put my camera in my mouth and do 1 game. And of course, it's not coin operated, so it's free play all the time. Still has the same players as always that we like. Show you that it's still the same. And me and my daughter's been on this game all day yesterday since we got it. Okay, so that's that. You play normal play. Now, if you hold player 1 for 5 seconds, it'll take you back to the main screen. If you hold player 2 for 5 seconds, it'll reset the game. So I'm gonna hold this for 5 seconds and reset the game. And there you go, you reset the game. Player 1 for 5 seconds. Takes you back to the main screen. So we'll select Street Fighter 2. You see right here, it tells you the instructions. So we'll do a game of this as well. Just real quick to play so you can see that it's still the same. And like I said, I gotta step my game up because I haven't played in a while. So you see it gave me a 3-hit combo right there. So again, that's Street Fighter 2 Turbo, the new challengers. 5 seconds, reset the game. Go back. So we'll go back to Street Fighter Super Turbo. And then there we go. Start.
Round 1, fight.
They look like Bruce Lee. Reset it, so that's that. I showed you all 3 Street Fighters. That's the main screen again. All 3 Street Fighters, and again, it's pretty much the same as the arcade. You used to go to Pizza Hut and everything to play. It has the same setup as far as the joysticks and the buttons and everything. Tells you exactly what to do. Player 1, player 2. But yeah, so I bought this for a reason. Pretty soon I'm gonna mod this and RetroPie and everything like that, have all the games, so I don't have to worry about nothing. But yeah, Arcade 1-Up Champion Edition Street Fighter. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.